welcome back to my channel, and oh my god, my shoes are finally here. I'm so excited and I just came back from work. So today I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys, and that is well, you'll see. But before that, if you're new, hi, my name's Jade and I make videos just twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays about videos like cute girly fashion, DIYs, vlogs. So if that's something you're into, consider subscribing and let's get on with the video. So yesterday actually the guy came and no one was here, so I had to go pick it up from Shoppers Drug Mart, but we got a package and I'm so excited because I know exactly what it is and I just need to tear into it like right now. So let's just get into this. I'm so excited. I love this shoe so much. I was so sad when it went out of stock the first time, so when it came back in, I literally needed to scoop my hands up on it right away. And also, I'm just noticing now the box is literally destroyed, so the shoes are like any at all like scuffed or anything, I'm going to cry. But okay, so like, what even is this? Okay, well, we're gonna open it up. Are we ready? Okay, you know what? We're gonna do this the old-fashioned way, and I'm just gonna hold it and we're gonna do that. So, oh, they're so beautiful. Look at these shoes! I'm so happy! Oh my gosh, they are a little scuffed on the side. I'm mad. It's fine. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Can we just appreciate the pastel rainbow? They're so pretty. Oh my god. Look how nice these shoes are. Look at how freaking good these shoes are. Oh my cheese. Like, let's get a little close up, shall we? So we've got the nice rainbow with more rainbow on the freaking shoe. We've got the pastel, the mint, the lav. So cute. I'm so happy right now. Y'all don't even know. Like, I'm so excited. These are so pretty. I wanted these shoes forever, and now I have them. I'm ordering another pair soon too. So get ready for another unboxing video. But these are the YRU Pastel Qozmo platforms. I will leave a link to these shoes in the description below. Oh my gosh, they're just amazing. The quality, oh yes, the quality. Of course, it's got the YRU in there. Oh my god. This is all this shoe video is. It's just me enjoying my shoes, but like, it's fine. Yup. Well, that's all I really have. Here's what the shoes look like on. Okay, so here's what these shoes look like on, and oh my god, I'm so in love with them. Like, the pastel, the beautifulness, the everything, the platform, the gorgeousness, the everything. I'm so happy with these shoes. I could not have asked for better things. They did ship fairly quickly, but again, it did take a little time and I did have to pay customs, which is a little sucky, but whatever, worth it. These shoes are so gorgeous and I'm gonna wear them all the time. I love them to pieces and just, oh, they're great. Okay guys, so that is all I have for this video. Sorry it was a short one, but you know, like, we enjoy short ones sometimes. Anyways though, make sure to check out my Instagram and my Twitter for more outside Cheeky Sparkles content, because I do like to post over there and say hi and all that. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!